Learn how to manage your projects in MyFesto. Start in the MyFesto area, where you will find the project's menu item. If you click on it, the project management opens, and you will find a list of the projects you have created. You can also create additional projects. Within projects you can manage product lists, move those product lists to your shopping cart, view prices, and share projects within your organization or with your Festo sales engineer. At the top you will also find the project name and the project description. You can edit these as required. You also have the option of creating a download package for all project-related documents. This feature makes it easy to collect and share all relevant project documents in one convenient package, making collaboration and information sharing simple and effortless. Projects are also integrated with engineering tools such as electric motion sizing and automation suite, so you can save and retrieve engineering results for easy commissioning. This ensures that all engineering data is centrally stored and easily retrievable, making the commissioning process smoother and more efficient. Here you can upload attachments or add notes to the project, providing additional context and information that may be required during the commissioning or maintenance phase. This option ensures that all relevant information is kept in one place and is accessible to all stakeholders.